Hello, good evening, viewers all over the world. My name is Apostle Dr. Kasi, the comedy lion killer, the preaching encyclopedia, the preaching catalyst, the highly flammable preacher, the oracle of the nation. I'm not happy. You know why? I hate lies. I may not be perfect, but I hate lies. I hate lies. I hate lies. I want you all to listen to Ruth Matthew, what she's saying. How will a pastor, for your own child that is lost, how will a pastor make you to lie? I'll be saying what you are not supposed. Why not just tell the world the truth? Thank God say, quick me to open my mouth saying that Prophet Jeremiah and I carry the Pikin. This is why proper investigation should be done. Just imagine what we be here. Just imagine what you are here now. I'm not saying she did not lost her child. I don't know if you are getting me, but when it comes to lie, when people like us have cried out on your behalf, listen to what you are saying to the world. Prof S, God bless you. Thank you. Just listen to what Ruth Matthew is saying. Thank God say we no stone Prophet Jeremiah to death. We forgot to say why we stone now. Please, I'm not trying to say maybe he's guilty or not guilty, but what I'm trying to say is that listen to what Ruth Matthew is saying. At the verse, if person tell me something, can't change, and the thing they verse me, nothing when they verse me rich like that. Nothing. With the things that they oppress you now, we cry out now with the yes story. Before we cry out, why you not tell us? Say, see the real truth too. There are 3 people you cannot lie to. Number 1, you cannot lie to your doctor. You're not supposed to lie, give doctor where they treat you. You're not supposed. Number 2, your lawyer. You're not supposed to lie, give your lawyer. Number 3, your pastor. You're not supposed to lie, give her. Prof X, I may answer my question well. I get integrity. I don't want anybody to call my name for one thing tomorrow. See, may she tell us the truth. As we just talk now, so may we not just wake up tomorrow morning. We can't hear say, and that's why I said my Pikin go do what did they call her? I said I go do herself because I couldn't meet up to this. Actually, because Papa J don't tell us say between now till month ending, say the truth go come and we go see what did they call her? Testimony. So the way the matter don't be so now, it be like say Papa J, thank you. Let's wait till the talk one could happen now. Me, I don't join anybody, but I hate lie. Now understand that I talk so. More na use una ear listen to waiting this woman they talk. I know say una no like me, but more na listen to waiting she want tell me. Listen.
Ruth.
Yes, Daddy.
How are you today?
Fine, sir. Thank you
you
very much, sir.
No, it's wonderful. It's okay. Are you enjoying there?
Yes, Daddy. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Talk to me. What happened about the story? Who inspired you?
Sir, it's Pastor Akande.
Pastor who?
That's Pastor Akande.
Pastor Akande.
I explained everything to him that I'm 40. I wish I know. I for not send this Pikin to go and showed her where to get Indomie. And I said, okay, Ruth, if you explain like this to the world, people will hold you responsible that you are the cause of everything. That please don't say so. And I said, okay. Said, the Juliet that is helping you to take care of these children, so literally speaking, the Juliet is still there that time when I sent the baby. They try to show the two women where they can get Indomie to buy. And that place is not far from the place. It just, even we can go and buy the Indomie. I never knew that they would take the issue to another place. They would take the children to another place, sir. I don't know. I don't know, sir. And this Pastor Akande.
Okay, wait a bit. Pastor Akande, when did you meet Pastor Akande? This was in 2019, right? When you met Pastor Akande?
Yes, sir. 2019, the first time.
The first time?
The following day of the event.
Okay.
The issue.
Okay. The following day after you lost your child. That's
yes,
when
sir.
you met Pastor Akande.
Yes, sir.
Pastor Akande is for which church?
CSC.
CSC.
Church. Yes, sir.
He's the one who advised you to say,
yes, sir.
Don't tell your story like this, but tell it like this, so that people don't accuse you of selling your baby.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's the one that says so.
So you went.
That makes me keep quiet, is that this, sir?
He made you keep quiet, how?
That make me not open it to you that I'm the one that sent this baby. Trying to go and show the two women where to get Indomie.
Okay, wait. Remember the story that you sold, the story that you told on Bracket, and the story that you had given in 2019.
Yes, sir.
You had said that you were not there. You were not the one who sent the children. But on your second interview, you actually said that you are the one who had sent the children, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2 years down the line, 2 years after, I started talking to you. Were you still talking to Pastor Akande when I was talking to you?
Yes, I the first person that called me.
Mm-hmm. Pastor Akande called you.
Called me, said they are seriously looking for me. I said, for what? He said, concerning my missing child. Say, Ruth, remember what I tell you. If you tell people, say, now you send Triumph, they go hold you, oh, we are protecting you.
So now when I started talking to you, Pastor Akande called you again and said, don't forget to stick to the statement that I told you.
Yes, sir.
So he said, if you tell the truth, they are going to hold you accountable.
Yes, sir.
What do you think was Pastor Akande's motive? Do you think it's because he cared for you, or he had his own personal vendetta against Jeremiah?
I think he is trying to save my life. I don't know.
Or you thought he was just trying to save your life? What's your relationship with Pastor Akande?
He's just my daddy's friend.
Oh, he's your daddy's friend, so he cares about you.
He's my daddy's friend, sir.
Okay.
That is the relationship.
So he was trying to protect you.
Yes, sir. That is what I think, sir.
That is what you think. Okay, good. So let's get into this other conversation. After you went to the police, what did the police say? Let's walk through the whole process now. After you reported the story to Jeremiah and the people at Jeremiah Omoto's church and they didn't do anything, what did you do after then? You went to the police, right?
Yes, sir. I went to the police with the Pastor Akande.
Oh, you went to the police with the same pastor, with Pastor Akande?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So
he
go on.
He followed me to the police station. He's the one that even carried me with his vehicle, sir.
Okay, so go on. Tell me the full story until we get to Bracket.
When I get there, I report to the case. They said we have been having these kinds of a case in this place. In the presence of Pastor Akande, the policeman said, if they recover your own, thank God, because the missing baby case, they know they figure tamo. What did you send me go Prophet Jeremiah's church? Why did you go and dash that boy to Jeremiah? even when I complain of the Juliet issue, they invite the Juliet, come. Only the chief security go with other protocols.
Okay, wait. Who's Juliet?
Is the security in Mercy City in charge of children department, sir.
Okay, Juliet is the one who's in charge of the children's department.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when you get to the police, they asked you, or who did they ask?
They asked me.
Who did they ask to go and call Juliet?
The policemen sent the chief security to go and call Juliet because I mentioned Juliet's name.
Oh, okay.
Because Juliet is the child of that children's department. It's a security. Every department in the Mercy City has security.
Okay, so they wanted Juliet to come and give a statement of what happened.
Yes, of what happened. Juliet no come.
Why?
I don't know. Now the chief security and other protocols now come.
Okay.
And when the policeman continuously investigated the matter, later on the third day, they now called me. They asked, Ruth, please, in the presence of the same Pastor Akande plus the Mr. Ayo, which is the father of the missing child, asked me, please, can we give you this 2 million for you to go home? Your son will come back. I said, no. I need my son. I cannot take this money. I need my son.
Wait. Who offered you this money?
The policemen with the chief security.
What did they say? Come again on that.
They say, can you take this money, the 2 million, for you to go home? Your son will come back. I said, no, I no fit collect am.
Why did they want to give you money when your child is missing?
I don't know why they want to give me money, sir. I don't know.
So they offered you money after they came back to bring Juliet and they couldn't come back with Juliet.
Yes, they couldn't bring Juliet.
And then they tried to give you 2 million so that you can go home and stop investigating about the child.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go on.
I said, no, I can't take any money. I need my son. If they empty Prophet Jeremiah's account for me, it's not up to the missing child. Please, I need this baby. This is what I see stand for. Even the father of this boy says so, sir. That is all. Before I now leave the worry and come back to my state, Edo State, Igara. From this Igara, I go to Abuja, the Human Rights Berekete. Lay my complaint because before you see the man, you need to type everything. I type it, everything, but I don't include the Indomie part issue.
Okay.
Because it was an hurry. I'm hurry that time, and I forget some things. Even when I go back to where I submit the letter, the form, they say they have already submitted it. They can't withdraw it back again. I said, I forget one thing. I need to retype it again. I explained to the person.
Okay.
He said, okay, anything you type for there, just please stand for there. Because the man doesn't want two mouths. He said, whatever you are written, you've already written there. Kuku stand for that word. That makes me Kuku keep quiet, sir. Before they now discover the Indomie in the police station. That makes the man annoyed that, Ruth, why didn't you tell me about the Indomie part? Number one, and you never told me you are with your stepdaughter, which is 18 years old girl. And you never told me you work in Ministry of Health, Edo State. This is just the 3 things that makes the man annoyed with me. Nothing else, sir.
Okay.
I said, I'm sorry. So, okay, no problem. All the issue is the baby is still missing. And the people that surround me, they said I should mention everybody that surrounded me that time. I called all their names. The names are written in the police station, sir. They are still from the Mercy City. This is what Berekete say. Those people, they are not outside the church. They are still the same church member from the church. Even the pastor, a man that I come and collect my ATM, I still write and put for Berekete like that. To go and withdraw the money to do the publicity about the missing child. I write and put for there like that for them. The man denied. He said he don't even know me at all. All of them, they deny everything, sir.
Which men denied?
All the people that I measured from the Mercy City, plus the Juliet and the security, chief security, and the pastor, a man that always play with the baby testimony. All of them, they denied. And Pastor Andy. All those people, they have the protocols of Jeremiah, sir. This is what I explained to Berekete.
So they all denied that they know you?
They all denied me, sir.
Okay.
Then the Berekete now said, okay, the next step now is to go and check the service provider to know how the baby now got missing, as everybody denied. So they should check the MTN service provider, sir. That is where the man reached. He can't keep quiet. I don't know what's now happened.
So after then, you don't know what happened?
I don't know what happened again.
Did you go to the police station with Berekete?
Yes, I go to police station with Berekete. As the Berekete, I invite the Prophet Jeremiah. The Jeremiah no come. He send the protocol come. The Prophet Berekete now Pikin go and arrest the Jeremiah using the police zone 5 police to go and arrest Jeremiah. The protocol represent Jeremiah and the say that time. The policemen now do the investigations, everything. They said the baby is missing and the lodge there, what they discovered, but all of them deny. Even the policeman, when he said they invite that policeman to the station, so that man denied that he never said so. That somebody, they are always having this kind of a case in this station. The policeman denied it, sir.
So wait, the first time you went to the police station to report that your child is missing, the policeman told you that we always receive cases like this. This is not the first case that we have received. That's what he told you.
Yes, sir. That is what they told me, sir.
But when you went back to the police station with Berekete, they denied to having said that.
They denied it. Yes, sir. They denied. They said I'm still consistency telling lies. And I'm not telling lies. That is what I know all about the missing child, sir.
So the police started accusing you of telling lies now. They turned everything on you.
Yes, sir.
And when you were with Berekete at the police station, Berekete asked that Jeremiah comes to report and give a statement to the police station.
Yes, sir.
And he did not come. He sent his protocol to come and represent him.
Yes, sir. He did not come. He sent the protocol to come and represent him.
And what did the police do about it?
The police, they said they are still investigating, sir.
And Berekete, what did he do after that?
After that, Berekete want to take further actions to go to the MTN service provider.
For what?
For the missing child, so that they will know how the child got missing and where they carry and go. Berekete said with the help of that part, they can get the baby. And Berekete even asked about their TCV camera. They said they no get for the gate. Now lay money side, now they get put. The gate camera is not working. Then I say, okay, that makes Berekete said, let's go into the MTA service provider to check. And the person that go and withdraw money with my ATM, that is where they reach. They now they threaten him. The man now stepped down for the case, sir.
Okay, wait. You are saying Berekete went to the ATM or MTN service provider?
Yes, he wants to do that. Berekete want to go to, he never go there, but he want to do it. I no know it make and can't stop.
What did you want to get from that service provider?
The conservation between everybody.
Or the conversation between everybody that is involved?
Yes, that is involved in this baby case.
Okay. So you had given Berekete the names of all the people that were close,
yes, sir,
that were involved in this case of the missing child.
Yes, sir.
And Berekete wanted to go to MTN to get records and calls and conversations of these people to see if there was anything that was spoken about the missing child.
Yes, sir.
And what did he do after that? Did he go and do it, or he just said he's going to do it?
He said he's going to do it. Since then, I no know it happen again.
So from that date, you never had feedback from anyone? No one ever called you?
I never had. No, sir.
That's how it ended?
That is how it ended, sir.
So from that day, from the police station, you went back?
Hello?
From the day at the police station, from the last day of the investigation, you went back, sir, and continued with your life?
Yes, I did not went back to the village. I just based in Abuja, yes. That's my life here.
Or you starting your life again?
Yes, sir. In Abuja, yes, sir.
And what did the pastor say? That pastor, what's his name again? The one that told you to give a different statement?
Pastor Akande.
Pastor Akande, what did he say after these proceedings? Was he helping you?
No, he said, let's continue praying. God will do it.
So you, Ruth, what do you think happened to your child?
I don't even know. All I know, the baby is missing. I don't see the Pikin till now. I never see answer.
What do you think could have happened?
I don't know, sir.
There's a woman that called me, and this woman was saying that you are the one who hid your own child.
Sir, I did not hide the child. Can they hide a child? A Pikin is like, they can't even hide any Pikin, sir. Even the three children that is with me, they always followed me. If the child is with me, if you join me now, I can't hide that baby for any reason, sir. A child is, they cannot even hide any Pikin now. It's what everybody will see by themselves. Like the three children, they're always with me. Any side I'm going, we go together. I never hide any Pikin, sir. I don't hide anybody.
I believe you, Ruth. You know, I'm just asking you these questions, not because I'm just trying to make people understand and so that people really understand and know that you are not making this up.
Okay, sir.
And there will be no reason for you to make this up, that your child is missing.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let's pause for now, and we'll see the developments and see what we need to establish, what more other facts we need to establish. And I wanted to ask another question I forgot to ask.